Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Huntsman. In this video we'll check if this keyboard has hot swappable switches. RAZER Huntsman is high-performance optical gaming keyboard designed for speed and near-zero latency. The switch types are RAZER optical switches, linear, all clicky. In short, yes, the RAZER Huntsman V2 has hot swap. The switches are not hot swappable in traditional sense. You can easily pull them out and replace them with standard 3-pin or 5-pin mechanical switches. Because they are optical, they depend on sensors on the PCB. They are unique to the board. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.